guys, welcome to my hip hang tutorial. This is an easy and quick way to get into your hip hang split. Plus, I'm going to show you a nice little twist at the end that looks pretty contortion-y, but you don't actually have to be that flexible to pull this one off. You're going to start sitting in the hoop and going into your gazelle split. If you would like to review your gazelle split, I've got a tutorial for that, which should hopefully be at the top of your screen right now. Once you're in your full gazelle split position, put your free hand back on the hoop just above where your front leg is, and use that hand to twist the hoop half turn around as you take your back leg out of the hoop. Remember to pull down hard on your front ankle with the hand that's there so that you can keep your balance. I like to think about being parallel to the hoop when I'm in my gazelle split and then moving into a 90-degree right angle to the hoop when I'm in my hip hang split. Next, take the hand that was on the hoop and reach between your body and your leg to bring your arm around to the front of your leg. To go into the twist, bend your back knee in, then reach for that foot with your free arm and straighten the leg, which will pull you into the twist position. To come out of it, reach behind you and take the hoop with your hands, then slide the hoop down your leg from your hip into your knee crease, and you're in a nice hawk's knee hooked position, which you can then roll up out of by throwing your outside leg through the center of the hoop and your back end. I've got two pro tips for you today. The first one is in any hip hang, there's going to be a part of your hip that is less painful to hang from. For me, that's the part that's not quite on the side, but not quite on the front of my hip. It's sort of the diagonal front of my hip. But it's different for everyone, so experiment a little bit and see what's most comfortable for you. Second pro tip is that in my hip hang split, I am not actually in a split. I have my leg very much to the side of me in what dancers would call à la seconde. Actually, I would say in aerial, I hardly ever do a properly aligned technical square split. I am almost always opening my leg up to the side and cheating a bit because it looks better and it's going to help you in a lot of moves. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning this little hip hang variation, and please check out my channel and subscribe because I have lots of fun tutorials, performance videos, and some different artistic aerial projects coming up soon. Plus, I will shortly be uploading a requested video. I do take requests, so if you have something you would like to learn, let me know and I will make a video for you.